The skeleton consists of very lightweight bones. They have large air-filled cavities, called pneumatic cavities, which connect with the respiratory system. The skull bones in adults are fused and do not show cranial sutures. The orbital cavities that house the eyeballs are large and separated from each other by a bony septum partition. The spine has cervical, thoracic, lumbar and caudal regions with the number of cervical neck vertebrae highly variable and especially flexible. But movement is reduced in the anterior thoracic vertebrae and absent in the later vertebrae. The last few are fused with the pelvis to form the synsacrum. The ribs are flattened and the sternum is keeled for the attachment of flight muscles except in the flightless bird orders. The forelimbs are modified into wings. The wings are more or less developed depending on the species. The only known groups that lost their wings are the extinct moa and elephant birds.